Hey, are you a Google Pixel 11 smartphone owner and or you are interested in purchasing one? If so, in this video I'm going to discuss how you can use Google Pixel 11 smartphone with embedded built-in Gemini artificial intelligence. They call it Gemini Intelligence. Now this is available in the Pixel 11, Pixel 11 Professional, and also the Pixel 11 Professional Extra Large. You do not need to use Google Gemini chatbot, the generative artificial intelligence chatbot. You don't need to input prompts. They actually have Rambler now. Google Gemini Intelligence Rambler voice input feature. It will even transcribe your voice into text for you. And then there's another feature called Magic Capture. Magic Capture actually allows you to take fotografias, and capture video at the same time. Then you have Camera Looks. Camera Looks actually allows you to choose different aesthetic scenes for your, I believe, both photographs and pictures that you capture. Then number 4 is Creator Studio. Now Creator Studio allows you as a content creator to simplify the process, and it actually includes a screen teleprompter. So you can actually read off of a script with a built-in included screen teleprompter. Number 5, low light pictures. With the artificial intelligence agentic Gemini now, you don't use the generative artificial intelligence chatbot and have to type in what features you want to use. Faster low light fotografias. Number 6 is circle to search right from the video camera. So from the camera viewfinder, you just circle to search what you want the Google Gemini agentic artificial intelligence to search for. When you use this feature, it allows you to find more detailed information pertaining to what you circled. So whatever, if it's a flower or maybe an animal or insect, whatever, tangible item, you just circle it and then it will search for and output more detailed information about what you just circled. Finally, number 7 is a translation feature, live. You can translate audio and video in real time with their translator now. If you want more additional information, you can actually browse to Google's blog. This was from Google's official blog. Look for the Pixel 11 features blog post, and because there's a lot more details that I obviously did not cover. Adios.